All right, guys, welcome back to another episode here at Full Throttle. Thank you very much for tuning in on today's episode. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to use the Noco Boost XL, specifically the GB50 model. This is the 1500 amp. And if you want to see kind of everything unboxing and everything included and kind of overview, be sure to check out that other episode. I'll leave a link up in the corner here to check that out. But today I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to boost a vehicle. Right now I have no power going to this vehicle, so we're going to want to hook up the battery terminals. Now it's always very important to hook these up properly, but I'm going to show you guys the safety features that we talked about in the previous episode. So right now the Noco Boost does have reverse polarity protection and spark-proof technology. All right, so right away, guys, if you can see that, we have the indicator light coming up there, and that is the reverse polarity warning. So right now, this will not allow me to boost the battery, and it will not give me any power. So that's very nice to see. So now, if this happens to you, you know you have the terminals hooked up incorrectly, and you just have to reverse them. So I'll hook these up the proper way now. And you always want to do this, hook up the terminals before you power up the unit. Just an extra safety precaution there. But you can see we don't have any warning light now, and we're ready to turn on the booster pack. Hit the great big power button, and here we now have the battery or the indicator lights chasing. So what this is indicating is the battery is ready to be boosted, and it's the unit is powering or supplying power to the battery. So at this point, guys, you're now ready to go inside the vehicle and start it as you normally would. So let's do that now. And it starts up with no issue. Very easily. All right, guys, and as you've seen there, started up this engine without any issues. This particular unit is rated for over a 6-liter gasoline engine, and we're dealing with a 2.3-liter inline-4, but started up without any issues, guys. So at this point, you can see the indicator lights are still flashing. The boost indicator light is on. So all you're going to do is power off the unit, and now you're safely able to remove the alligator clips. At this point, I would highly recommend going for a good long drive, get the engine RPMs up, and get that battery charged back up to normal charge level, so operating level. So other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Leave your thoughts and comments down below. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and until next time, you guys know what to do. Keep right full throttle.